The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skiller! Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, you know, I have a video that I'm going to present here right about now. You see me? And you know, this video is out on social media where some persons find it funny, but I don't find it funny in no way at all. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, this video is about bullying, right? So according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this video shows of a person that felt like he had been bullied, you see me? And this video shows of a person also that is said to be the bully. You get what I'm saying to you? So the person that felt like he's being bullied retaliated, right, and confronted the person that is said to be the bully. You understand? And during this confrontation of viewers and subscribers, both persons had things in their hands that are considered to be weapons. You see me? Like objects in hands that are considered to be weapons. Both persons. You see me I say? And viewers and subscribers, you know, what I saw in the video, I see danger and I see where someone could have got hurt. You get what I'm saying to you? And you know, I'm only presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, to point it out that you know, bullyism is not good, you see me? And I am not in any support in any way possible with no violence. You get what I'm saying to you? If you feel like someone is bullying you, you should report it to the necessary authorities. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, no bother about you to confront the person because you may never know. Things might end up the wrong way. So me, I give the best advice. You report it to the police. Don't bother with the retaliation thing. You see me? No, I don't have any exact information or confirmed information as to where this had happened or when this had happened. But however, this video is out on social media and it's being talked about. Alright? So I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think about it. You get what I'm saying to you? Actually, I'm going to leave the video with you. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, alright? Now here is the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Come on, solo, step by my van! Oh yo, oh God, Black Joe, don't kill him. Don't kill him, man. Don't kill him. If you chop him, don't kill him. Don't joke. Don't joke, eh? Two hammer? Hammer one or the mother con? Hammer one?
I don't want to hear.
You cool long, man.
You don't want to hear. I don't come here for that. Leave me alone. Somebody going to put me in bed. Watch. You're going to put me in trouble by the forget that boy. I will kill you. But just forget that. Because I bust your skull. Leave me. But want to let it go for? But hit me that one.
You have two. Fair enough. You have two.
You have two.
Blame on yourself. I don't fight. I don't fight. The more than a drink together. I don't fight. The more than a drink.
I don't want to hurt you, boy. I don't want to hurt you.
I think you're bad.
Bitch, I don't want to hurt you.
You're fucking bad.
Bitch, I want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt you.
Cut me short.
Stop telling me about
the mother con. Whoa, yo.
Stop. Enough. Easy. Mother con.
Lord have mercy, bitch. Just I want to know.
Is enough.
Bitch, you overboard now, bitch.
I just make man run. Your mother says I'll jump in a boat and I'll finish you. I'll show you who is the real fucking devil.
Lord have mercy, bitch. Lord have mercy. Don't go in the water.
We'll fucking go back. Yeah. Boy.
Go, bitch! Go, bitch, go!
Let it come for fucking Iran!
Leave alone now! Let's tell you alone! Yo!
You must leave
Yo! Man overboard! Man overboard! Man overboard! You done? Ah, you done now? You done? You sure you done, Beige? You lean out, you done, Beige, you done? Beige, you done? You sure? That's it. Hey, allow the fucking man now, eh?